Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Reflex Medical trauma bandage. So this is a standard typical trauma dressing which has a place in first aid kits, ambulances, emergency care centres around the world, but made specifically by Reflex Medical. So it's like their own brand example really. So really I wanted to kind of show you how this is, how it works, and give you a demonstration. So they do a couple of different sizes. This particular one is the 10cm by 18cm pad size. There's a couple of different sizes. They will all work exactly the same way. So let's get into it. Okay, so the outside packaging, you have this outside sterile packaging. Obviously it's sterile unless opened. You have the information on the front, pad size, spin around, and you have the CE marks and so on, and also some really simple instructions in case you hand this to someone to use. So apply, wrap and secure. Opening, you have a opening tab here, very easy to open. Open it and you are in. So inside you have the internal packaging. If you wanted to save space or perhaps save time, because it doesn't really add much extra space, you can simply keep it inside the inside packaging here. Basically allows you to get into it even quicker. I've seen examples where people have the tear notches here, which you can maybe just see, and they actually put tape either side just to make it even faster. So that's something you can maybe do if you wanted to. But you have a tear notch here, and a tear notch there as well, so you can get into it very quickly. Okay, so opening up the internal sterile packaging. Get rid of that, and we are left with the actual dressing itself. So if I open it up, so we have the 10cm by 18cm wound pad here, which is highly absorbent and will really do a good job there. And as it's a trauma dressing, you actually have a stretchy material. So it's not like the traditional ambulance dressings, which kind of have to, you have to kind of wrap around. Doesn't apply that much pressure. The way this is made, it actually is elasticated. So as you wrap it, you're actually going to be really cranking down that pressure, helping to apply, again, that direct pressure, which will help stop that bleed. And you simply unravel it all the way to the end. Got plenty of material here. Keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. And at the end, we have a hook Velcro part here, which will actually grip onto it the right way and will actually help secure it at the end, but I'll demonstrate that for you. So that's pretty much it. It's not a lot to talk about really. It is a suitable trauma dressing for a number of different applications. You have plenty of elasticated bandage material there, which can really help get that direct pressure, and you have a nice thick absorbent wound pad there. And again, comes in different sizes, so you're able to deal with a number of different sized wounds. So I'll demonstrate its use now and talk about it at the end. Okay, so we'll use my leg as an example here. I've taken a Sharpie and I've drawn an X marks a spot on the severe bleeding site. So what you could do, obviously first of all, PPE, very important. Make sure you're gloved up or get the casualty to place that firm direct pressure on that bleeding wound site. As you get your materials ready, you will take your dressing, take it out of the outside pack, take it out of the inside pack, and you are good to go. So the direct pressure is being maintained. You're now ready. You open up the wound pad, the nice soft absorbent side to the wound, and then hold that down. Then you can begin the wrapping process. All it takes is 1 or 2 wraps and then it will start to hold itself. Then you have 2 hands to wrap above, below, and also over the wound site. So again, as I mentioned, this is an elastic material which really does help crank down that pressure. So you can kind of give it a pull, a stretch, and then wrap. And you can really feel that pressure going down now. Then at the end, you can remove the cover over the hook part of the Velcro, effectively. I don't know if you can see that, but you can then secure it firmly onto the bandage itself. And there we go, pretty neat. My leg there is nicely dressed. So there's no tying little bows and stuff. The Velcro at the end is a really neat little touch. So there you have it. That is the Reflex Medical trauma dressing. Really cool bit of kit. Really small profile, will quite happily fit in pretty much any sized kit. Seems to really work a treat. So if you're interested in checking this out, or perhaps some of the other consumables such as compressed gauze or instant ice packs, or perhaps some of the other equipment which isn't shown here today, be sure to check out Reflex Medical, and if you use the code SurvivalDads you'll save a little bit of money as well. As always, I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.